Assigning voltage values for DC nets in your design will help clearly communicate design intent. This how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to assign voltage values for DC nets with the Constraint Manager in OrCAD X. Open the provided design in OrCAD X Presto. To assign DC voltages, you can select the Constraint Manager icon in the Constraint panel or select Electrical Analysis Constraint Manager from the menu. Here you can define constraints for the design, including properties for nets. Select the Properties tab, then select General Properties. Here you can view all the nets in the design. Assign 0 volts to ground and 3.3 volts to the 3.3 volt net. Close the Constraint Manager window. Back in the PCB canvas, you can assign different colors to nets in the design for efficient identification of power and ground. Select the Visibility tab, then select the Net tab. This tab lists all the nets in the design and provides a centralized location for defining colors as well as turning rat's nest visibility on and off. Select the box next to 3.3 volts and select the desired color. Select the box next to ground and select the desired color. Now in the PCB canvas, you can see the colors have been assigned to power and ground. To verify that the voltage properties have been set, open the Search panel. Reset the search if necessary, then select the Net tab. Identify the ground and 3.3 volt nets. The appropriate voltages have been assigned. Quickly define voltage values for DC nets in your PCB designs using the Constraint Manager in OrCAD X to clearly define your design intent and accelerate your PCB layout. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.